Alright, today we're going to do the disassembly and reassembly of the most hated AK-47 there is, the Century Arms VSKA. First, make sure she's clean. She's clean. Dry fire. Push this in, pop it up, there's your dust cover, pull your spring out. Whoop. Pull that down. There you go. Now the reassembly part. It's only going to go in one way. You want it like that. You don't want it pushed out or it's not going to work. There's grooves back here, so it's only going to go in one way. You're going to push it down, bam. Put your spring back in. You got the weird trippy music going on in the background, whatever. This is the fun part. I'll usually hook it in the back, feed it in that groove. Slap it in there. Now you do your functions check, so. And that is the disassembly and reassembly of the most hated AK-47 there is, Century Arms VSKA. Let's do it.